Hello, so one of my follower got this interview question in a Deloitte interview. So here we have an array of integers and we want to find the missing number. So this array ranges from 1 to 9 and we want to find the missing number. In this case, it is 6. Now here if you observe, this is an unsorted array and we have duplicates as well. Now as we have duplicates, first data structure that comes to mind is set because it will store the unique elements for us. So what we can do first, we can put this particular array inside a set. So for that we can make use of stream. So what I will say arrays.stream. I will pass this array over here. After that this particular array will give us int stream. So that int stream needs to be converted to a stream of integer, right? So for that I'm using boxed. After that I will simply make use of collect and collectors.toSet. So now our array is converted to set. Now as they have mentioned that this is a closed range, right? So 1 to 9 is a range that they have defined for us. So what we can do, we can just loop through 1 to 9 and check if that element is present inside this set. If it is not, that is our missing element. So for that what we can do, again we can make use of stream. So I'll say int stream dot, we have a function called as range closed. So we can start from 1 and we can go up to 9. And after that what we can do, we can just filter. So for each element I inside this particular range, we will check if that particular element is not present inside set. So we'll just say set dot contains and we'll just parse that particular integer and we will just negate this condition. That means if it is not present, then let it pass. After that this particular int stream we will convert into stream of integer again, and after that we will just say to list to collect it into a list, and I will just collect it into a variable saying list, and let's try to print the list. And now let's try to run this code. Now if you see, we are getting the missing element, that is 6. Now let's say some other element is also missing, let's say 4. So I'll just remove 4. And now if I run this code, now you will see that we are getting 2 elements. So even if you have multiple elements missing from your array, you will be able to find it by using this particular approach. Now this is one approach to solve this problem. Do you have any other approach? Let me know in the comment section.